Hello, welcome to Hot in the Kitchen with me, Romeo. On this episode, I will show you how I make garlic shrimp in creamy, tomatoey, and hot sauce. My ingredients are 2 cups of deveined and sliced shrimp. The shrimp is basically this size and I use 25 of them. Once peeled, I slice the deveined shrimp lengthwise. The other ingredients include 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper. Word of caution, 1 tablespoon may be too hot for you, so use as much or little to taste. 3 tablespoons of ketchup. 1 heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. 2 eggs. Salt and pepper. And 2 tablespoons of butter. Add minced garlic to shrimp. Mix thoroughly and set aside. Break the 2 eggs into a bowl and add 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Whisk to mix thoroughly the eggs and ketchup. Add pepper. Now, if unsure of hotness, add only a portion and add the rest later to taste. And then set aside. And now to cooking. First, set the stove to medium heat. Add the butter. Add the shrimp. And season with salt and pepper. Stir thoroughly so all shrimp will be cooked uniformly. Cook shrimp until opaque and pink. Once opaque and pink, turn off the heat. With heat off, add the sauce. Continue to stir to coat all shrimp. If not all of the pepper was added earlier, taste the dish at this time. Add the rest of the pepper to taste. Ta-da! A plate of low-calorie but rich in nutrient shrimp with distinct garlic taste, sweetness of the ketchup, and the hot kick that the red pepper gives. I hope that you try my recipe, and if you do, please let me know if you like it too. Comments, suggestions, and questions are welcome, and thank you for visiting Hot in the Kitchen with Romeo.